Today's video is on the top 3 best portable blender bottles. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Helimix Vortex Blender. Shaker bottle. Looking for a shaker bottle that can keep up with your active lifestyle? The Helimix shaker bottle might just be the gym essential you've been searching for. With a generous 28-ounce capacity, it gives you plenty of room for your protein shakes, pre-workout mixes, post-workout drinks, and even intra-workout supplements. While the bottle itself holds 28 ounces, the measurement markings are conveniently marked to 20 ounces for easy reference. This ensures that whether you're making a quick shake or mixing a larger portion, it's simple to measure exactly what you need. What sets this shaker bottle apart is its innovative design. The Helimix bottle features a patented Vortex blender, which means no more dealing with shaker balls or annoying whisks. Simply add your protein powder or other supplements, close the lid, and give it a shake. The unique Vortex design creates a swirling motion that helps to blend powders seamlessly with liquids, giving you smooth, lump-free shakes every time. It's the perfect solution for anyone who's ever struggled with clumps in their protein shake or pre-workout drink. Not only does it mix perfectly, but the Helimix shaker bottle is built with your health in mind. It's made from high-quality copolyester plastic, which is both odor-resistant and free from harmful chemicals like BPA and BPS. This ensures that your shakes are as clean and safe as possible. Plus, the materials used in both the bottle and its packaging are sourced from within the United States, so you can feel confident knowing you're supporting American-made products while getting top-quality items. When it comes to durability, the Helimix bottle is built to last. It's made from shatterproof plastic, so you don't have to worry about dropping it during your workout or when you're on the go. And when it's time to clean up, the bottle is top-rack dishwasher safe, which means you don't have to waste time scrubbing it by hand. Finally, the Helimix shaker bottle is designed with convenience in mind. Its leak-proof lid ensures that no liquid will spill out, even if you toss it in your gym bag or backpack. Plus, the sturdy loop attached to the lid makes it easy to carry, so you can take it with you wherever you go without any hassle. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or going on a hike, this portable and reliable shaker bottle will make sure you stay hydrated and fueled with no mess. Tap subscribe faster than your blender bottle mixes up your morning shake. Number 2, best overall, Nutribullet Portable Blender. Looking for a blender that can keep up with your fast-paced, on-the-go lifestyle? The Nutribullet Portable Blender is here to make your life easier, offering the perfect blend of convenience, portability, and performance. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, someone who loves a protein shake after a workout, or you just want a refreshing blended drink wherever you are, this portable blender is designed to meet your needs. Lightweight and compact, it fits seamlessly into any adventure, from the gym to the beach, the office, or anywhere else you might find yourself. One of the standout features of this portable blender is its rechargeable USB-C battery. With a full charge, you get more than 15 blending cycles, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite drinks throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. It's the ultimate blend of convenience and efficiency, especially when you're in the middle of a busy day and need a quick, easy solution for a fresh drink. Designed with portability in mind, the Nutribullet Portable Blender features a handled lid that makes it super easy to carry with you wherever you go. It's not just about blending on the go, it's about making it simple and hassle-free. Whether you're hopping in the car for a road trip or heading out for a workout, this blender is the perfect companion, ready to deliver your smoothies in seconds. And when you're done blending, cleanup is a breeze. Simply fill the cup with water, add a drop of soap, and blend for a quick cleanup. No need to worry about tricky corners or hard-to-reach spots. Both the cup and the lid are top-rack dishwasher safe, making the cleanup process even more convenient for those busy days when you don't have time to spare. What about sipping? The blender comes with a flip lid that opens with a simple push of a button, revealing a convenient sipping spout underneath. It's an easy, spill-free way to enjoy your drink on the go, whether you're rushing out the door or taking a moment to relax and refresh. The Nutribullet Portable Blender comes complete with everything you need: a 7.4-volt USB-C rechargeable motor base, a 20-ounce cup, and a USB-C charging cable. With all these features packed into one compact design, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to enjoy their blended drinks without being tied down to the kitchen. Why settle for anything less when you can blend, sip, and go? With the Nutribullet Portable Blender, your favorite smoothies and shakes are always just a push of a button away. It's time to take your blending experience to the next level, wherever life leads you. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days, free, link below. Number 1, our pick, Kpmare Portable Blender. Looking for a blender that you can take anywhere? With this portable blender, you can blend your favorite ingredients whenever and wherever you want, whether you're at home, the gym, at work, on the go in your car, or enjoying the outdoors. You can easily create your favorite flavors. The best part? You don't have to wait for the perfect time to enjoy a smoothie. Just blend and taste it anytime, and you'll experience the ultimate convenience and satisfaction. This mini blender packs a punch with its 6-blade system and bi-directional blade technology. It easily crushes ice cubes and frozen fruits, giving you the power to create the perfect smoothie every time. The small blade design ensures that your ingredients are thoroughly mixed and achieve a smooth, delicate texture. Plus, this portable blender offers the same powerful performance as a traditional plug-in blender, delivering a silky, smooth blending experience. Worried about keeping your blender charged? You don't have to be. This blender features a high-capacity 6,000 milliamp hour battery and a USB-C charging port, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're at home, in the car, or on the move, you can recharge it in multiple ways. Plug it into a car charger, a power bank, or even your laptop. No need to worry about running out of battery when you're away from an outlet. Just charge it wherever is most convenient for you. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, so you'll always have a fully charged blender when you need it. Cleaning this blender is a breeze. Simply add some cleaning solution, and the powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute blade cuts through the water vortex to clean itself efficiently. After just 30 seconds, your blender will be ready for your next blending adventure. The 24-ounce vessel design gives you plenty of room for your ingredients. It comes with a wide mouth lid, an easy pour spout, and a sip lid for convenience. The ergonomic curve and multifunctional lifting handle make it easy to carry and grip. Whether you hold it with your fingers or clip it onto a carabiner, this blender is designed for portability and ease of use. Made with premium, BPA-free materials, this portable blender is safe and reliable. The strong seal prevents leaks, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. If you're always on the move and need a reliable blender, this is the ideal companion for your active lifestyle. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.